Valentine's Day on a budget. I've got 50 bucks and I'm going to make this night unforgettable. Good food, a romantic setup, and a little surprise. Let's do this. A little effort goes a long way. Balloons, roses, candles. It's about the vibe, not the price tag. Sprouts has these amazing heat and eat meals. Taste like homemade, no hassle. Here's the game changer. Pacuzzi, no microwaving, no waiting for the oven to preheat, and no dry food. Just steam, and it tastes like a fresh made meal. It's not just about the food, it's about enjoying the day together. We got to enjoy an amazing meal and still spend all that time doing what we love. That's what this day is all about. Good food, good company, and a little dessert to top it off. She loves it, and I didn't break the bank. Pacuzzi, the secret to an effortless romantic dinner. Make Valentine's Day special, without the stress. Shop Pacuzzi now.